What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. Today we're going to be taste testing.
Get it?
Oh my gosh. Oh.
That's money now, idiot.
So these are new, of course. So these are Kazbars, or maybe Kazbars. Sorry, no, it's Kazbars. So it's a creamy, crunchy layer cake bar with sweet crunch pieces. Both of them, of course. So this one is triple chocolate, and this one is chocolate caramel. So the Kazbars, of course, is new. Once again, Hostess has never made these. They've been making Twinkies, Ding Dongs, and some other stuff.
So let's see how they did.
We're gonna find out. Do the chocolate. So tight. There you go.
What I say? You keep looking that shit wrong. No, stop trying to handle it now. Tell me to fuck up.
It's not here.
You said it's okay to read. No, tell me you
I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and it's called sleep.
That's what I'm saying. I'm tired of shit.
They working.
It's working.
This is the triple chocolate one. Man, mine has red as shit too. Yeah, that was because y'all passing that shit to me. It smells just like the Hostess. But is it crunchy as they say it is? So this is what it looks like. Of course, this is new. Hold on, wait.
Wake up, bitch.
That shit look hard.
No, she was off.
This tastes better than both the other shit.
Good.
Hell yeah.
This shit good. This is 10 out of 10.
Way better than the other Hostess they got.
Yeah. Listen. I give it an 8.
Which one? Eat it, bitch.
Not if it's not that Popeyes like that.
But that's not going in you.
This so good as shit.
Out of 10.
Bitch, what?
I said out of 10.
I said 10 out of 10.
Oh, you got a piercing on your eyebrows.
Maybe you was talking to you.
No, I was talking to you.
What did I do?
You know what the fuck you did.
Huh? Where you gonna get a piercing on his eyebrows now? I can imagine you with that shit too.
Y'all got all this energy to speak back and shit. Open the fucking box.
I'm trying to help it out. Yeah.
You're not my dominatrix. You're not my dominatrix.
I don't care. I paint the town red.
Oh,
She's a bad little bitch. She's a rebel.
That shit right there.
Come on, throw up.
Again? You pregnant?
I don't know.
oh, you said it again. You know, do what you gotta
Nigga,
do.
just open the bitch.
I think you're gonna show the thumbnail.
The thumbnail, nigga?
Yeah, thumbnail.
We already did the thumbnail.
No. Show them the whole jelly on. Show them the whole thing.
You farted?
Bitch, stop asking me that.
I got your brain.
Shit. Dirty bitch, damn. Oh, you should get something. Damn, I forgot to show them the inside. Oh, well.
Yeah. I know you did.
That's why I took a piece so you can show them the inside.
This the caramel one. Chocolate caramel.
Mouth.
Damn, bitch. I didn't get no caramel. Hold up.
You like that, don't
Dog.
I never
How
ate.
can I possibly get on the football field?
I never ate.
Don't they make zebra? No, it's Little Debbie. It's Little Debbie. This so good. Both of them 10 out of 10.
It's a powerful one. I gotta look at it. Hold on.
Come on, bro. Come on.
All right, y'all. We're going to get up out of here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Be sure to tell somebody you love us. Be sure to...
What?
That was English?
What the?
All right, y'all. We're going to get up out of here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Be sure to tell somebody you love us. Be sure to let us know what you think of this Hostess video. And we'll catch you in the next Hostess video. And, yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.
Hey, bro, what the fuck? All right, y'all.